it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can get it on Amazon. It's a quick read. I hope it inspires you. I am a closet coach. I work with women inside of their closets, but before I do that, we do life coaching. We talk about it. We make decisions in advance. And that work makes the time that we're together in the closet so much more productive. So one of the tools that I use to help myself, but also my clients, to continue to curate a wardrobe they love is called the Edit. And the process of it is really an exercise of awareness. And awareness is so powerful, and I'll just give you a little illustration of how that is so, and how it can help us to constantly improve, make progress, and just, little tweaks. That's all it takes. So I was noticing in my morning routine, every single day this is happening, after I wash my face and after I put moisturizer on, I would then move on to putting my earrings on. But my hands are now have lotion on them, and so the earring would slip and it's hard to get the back on, and it was a thing. And I noticed it. I noticed it one day, and then the next day I did it again and I noticed it again. So just having that awareness helped me, because I said, you know what? I'm going to change the routine. I'm going to change the program. I'm going to put the earrings on, and then I will moisturize my face. I did that this morning, and I'm like, brilliant. Less frustration, less angst. And I'm not going to lose my earrings as they slip out of my hands. So that's just a very small example of how awareness can help us to tweak what we're doing, to tweak our ideas, to tweak the process. So that's how the edit will also help you when it comes to curating a wardrobe you love. So at the end of the day, you're going to ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, what worked? So you're looking at your choice for the day, and you are asking yourself, what worked? What did you love about it? What worked? So I'll do that today. I'll show you the example of what I wore today. It was a cloudy, rainy day in Florida. It was not too hot. It wasn't too hot. So I decided to wear black, head to toe. And these Easy Breezy pants have a wide leg, so it has a little bit of a casual feel to them. I really like them. This tank, of course, is so comfortable and easy. And these beads, though they are heavy, I felt they added a little brightness to my face, and so I was happy with it. That's step 1. Step number 2 is what didn't work. And it's not to contradict what you just said about what you liked about your clothes. This is really the part of being aware throughout the day. Is something not working for you? So I suppose the only thing is just that these are heavy. And so depending on the type of day I'm going to have, I think I would choose maybe, I was very active today, so maybe a different necklace would have been better. This is more of a sit and look pretty kind of necklace, not move around and run around and do all kinds of crazy stuff. So that didn't work for me. Otherwise, everything else did. Now, the third question is, how can I make it better? And I just answered that pretty much. But that's the process. You look at what you wore, what worked. You look at what you wore and you're aware of it throughout the day. Is something not working, like putting your earring in and it's slipping all over the place? It could present itself as you tugging or pulling, or something not being comfortable, or it's too tight or too loose. Or what about your foundation pieces? Are they tight and right? Are they fresh? So doing this work at the end of the day, when you get to the point where you say, how can I make it better? It's really a fun process of using your imagination, of brainstorming really how you could make this outfit better. And if you do it like thus and so, you may have an action list at the end of the edit. Perhaps something may need to be mended or just gotten rid of, or maybe purchase a new one, or maybe something entirely different to make it better. I hope this inspires you to try the edit. It is a very powerful tool. I promise. It's so powerful. And what it does is it continues to hone the process, so that when you go shopping and you see things hanging, you can be like, no, that doesn't work for me. Remember the edit from thus and so. Or you see something that you love and you're like, yes, I need more of that in my life. It's really powerful. So like I said, I am a closet coach. I help women through this process. I do that through life coaching, and then I come into your closet and we go through your closet piece by piece, one season at a time. So if your closet, if your wardrobe, if the process of getting dressed is not easy, if you don't love it, if you have angst and frustration and fatigue first thing in the morning, just raise your hand. We can have a conversation about it and see if we're a good fit to work together. Bye.